So here's what I've seen in my journey the last 5 or 10 years working in the enterprise. So RPA comes onto the scene, right? And RPA is very successful, grows extremely rapidly in the last decade, and sort of dominates the marketplace. And so, you can get to straight through processing on some of that task automation, and you can get to really high accuracies on task automation. And that has led to the market being saturated by people talking about 99% or 100% accurate. And by the way, you can do it with your documents too, or your images, or your audio. And the truth is, here's where I think the market lacks maturity. Those processes with unstructured data, they require intelligence. That's why we have human beings doing them today. Because when you look at a document and I look at a document, the same data field might occur in 5 different spots, but one of them's the right one, or maybe 2 of them are actually the right one, and you and I are going to pick different ones, right? And that noise in the intelligence is an inherent, it's an inherent obstacle to straight through processing. So having the maturity to realize that your humans are central to the process today, and they're going to stay central to the process tomorrow, but they're going to get a lot of help from the AI, and not just the AI, but like good tools for them to work with that weren't written as a console application in 2005, right? So maturity in terms of tooling, maturity in terms of understanding that like your process has inherent ambiguity in it, and ultimately accuracy is not the number that drives your return on investment. It's really how efficient and effective are your human workers, because they're, despite Tesla's claims that we're going to all be riding around like the Jetsons, we're not there yet, and we're not going to be for a while. So that's where I see a lack of maturity, is just understanding what the tools can do and thinking about them in the right way, as a partnership with your human knowledge workers.
That's a good point. Yeah.
So that's my 2 cents.